Have you ever wanted to peer into the Flylady's mind and see what is going on in there? Although we can't peer exactly into her mind, today on day 21 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to be able to check out what she thinks about just about anything. Today we're going to ask the Flylady a question section on her website, and we're going to roam around there for 5 minutes. So set a 5-minute timer and check out everything you can from that category. And once you're done, don't forget to comment done in the comments down below for a chance to win. Today is a super duper quick one, but do not forget those habits, which are dressing to shoes, making a bed, a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, kind words to ourselves the whole entire day, as well as slowing down and being intentional with everything we're doing, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, working on those missions, getting our clothes out for tomorrow, and shining our sink. And don't forget, we just added doing a load of laundry every single day. So be sure to be keeping up with all of the habits, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 22 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.